thank you for watching. In today's video, I will show you how I got my 4th of July makeup that I did for this year, 2018. So if you are interested to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first step is I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics, my dirty BH Cosmetics, 120 eyeshadow palette using this blue shade up here in the corner. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm basically just going to go over my outer crease as well as the middle of my lid and just slowly kind of bring that color up into my crease to blend it out just slightly, just to get some kind of added color in there. And then I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette and very carefully, since I got loose pigment, I'm going to use this dark blue shade here. And using the same brush, I am just going to get that on my brush and then pack that in the outer corner of my eye. And this will just help to add some extra dimension and extra depth into my eye. And so I'm just going to take my brush and just kind of blend that blue shade all into my crease to make sure that the color is deposited really evenly and that the darkest of that color really just stays in the outer V where I had packed that initial color. And then I'm just going to take the same BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to use this black shade, and just to kind of give a deep smoky look to my makeup, I am going to bring that black all along my under eye. As you could see in this section, I dropped one of my eyeshadow palettes, but I'm just going to be taking this white creamy shade up at the top, and I'm just going to pack that in my inner corner of my eye, and that's just going to help to add some brightness to my inner corner. Since I do have the black underneath my eye, I don't want my eyes to look too small, and so this definitely helps to open up your eye a little bit more as well. And then I'm going to cut my crease just slightly using my Dermablend Cover Cream Concealer. I was struggling to find the brush that I was hoping to use for this, but I did end up finding kind of just a dense concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease just slightly. And then with this technique, what I did is I just kind of wiped off the excess concealer that was on my brush after I applied it on my eye, and then I just went in and kind of blended the concealer in with my eyeshadow. So instead of having a perfectly white cut crease, I kind of gave it that smoky blue cut crease look. The next step is just lining my eyes. I'm going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, and I'm just going to apply a thin line all along my lash line, and this will just help to kind of provide a little bit of a line for the lashes to go on. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to apply my eyelashes. These lashes are the Kiss Cosmetics lashes, and they're in the brand Corset. They're the triple push-up collection, and I am so in love with these lashes. They're so amazing. This lash glue is just the Kiss lash glue with aloe. I was kind of laughing at how poorly I was showing the product. So I just used those, applied a little strip of that on my lashes, and put those lashes on. I don't remember what I was complaining about at that point in time, but just ignore my random little faces and stuff. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing an in-depth video on how I apply falsies. I have been asked on this a couple times, just to kind of go maybe a little bit more in depth. So if it's something that you're interested in, let me know, because I would be happy to do a video like that. Alright, so I'm just going to finish up my foundation and be right back. So now I got my foundation on. I had my foundation on, but I have my highlight on, my bronzer, and now I'm just going to go in with my lips. So for my lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Mary Jo K. And I'm first just going to take the liner and apply that all around my lips. I kept kind of having the liner fall out a little bit. I was literally dropping every conceivable product, like my eyeliner, my eyeshadow, my lipstick, my everything. Everything, everything. Oh my god, I love this lip kit. It's so pigmented. Obviously, what type of 4th of July look would be complete without a red lip? But I definitely love doing classic red lips using this lip kit just because it is so bright and vibrant and really helps to bring the look together. And then, of course, with all red lipstick, always gotta check to make sure that there is none on your teeth. Okay, so for mascara, I am going to use my Maybelline Colossal Spider Volume. Is that what it's called? Spider mascara. I'll list all the products that I did use down below, but I'm just going to blend this in with the falsies, and I'm also going to apply it on my lashes underneath as well, my lower lashes, just to blend that in with the black smokiness that is my eye. And then what I will do next is I'm just going to take this little lash glue and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this and a small drop underneath my eye. We'll see how long it truly, oh, I was having troubles, as you could see throughout this whole video. But we'll see how long the little sticker actually lasts. But just put that little drop of lash glue. And then I have been saving this star glitter for months. It's been crazy. I knew I was going to use it for one point in time, so why not today, right? So I just plopped that underneath my eye, and then I just took this little washcloth to kind of press it onto my eye to make sure that it didn't stick when I removed my finger. Now, just because my lips were a little bit on the thicker side with the application of the liquid lip, I am going to go in with my Dermablend concealer really in the corners of my mouth just to make sure that I bring that concealer to a point on both sides on my underlip as well as the top of my lip. And this just helps to create a really perfect edge to the corner of my lip. Helps to make your lipstick look really nice and clean. So you'll be able to see here. And kind of with the pop of the concealer, it helps to add a little bit extra definition around your mouth as well. So it just really helps to make your lips pop. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you with my next video. Bye!